hello, Paul. Yeah. What do you say? Italian?
Buongiorno.
She's open. So I will give the microphone to our guide, Simona, and she will be, of course, telling us about a few things.
So first of all, we are going to the Belvedere, and then we'll go by bus to Piazza Fontane Marose, which is a square near the World Heritage Site by UNESCO called Via Garibaldi. And then we walk for, half an hour to see the most important square in the city called Piazza de Ferrari, the Columbus's house, which is for us a symbol of this important sailor. And then we walk around the historical center, and then back to the bus, and then you will have lunch. Okay, perfect. We can start.
16th century flowers.
So this is the area of the port. This is the area of the port, and you can see on your left the old port area in particular, which is, despite its name, it's the most recent part of the port because it was created in 1992 for the world. It was created in 1992 for the World's Fair, the World Columbus's Fair, and in this area we can see the aquarium. You have already seen. Genoa is a very ancient city because it was probably founded in the 6th century BC, and it has such a long history. In the Roman period, it had an alliance with Rome, and in the Middle Ages, Genoa was one of the 4 maritime republics, along with Pisa and Venice and Amalfi. In the 17th and in the 16th century, Genoa became very rich. This is the western part of the city. We are waiting for all the people. Yeah, you can have a picture. You can take the picture.
We can't go inside to there.
Yeah.
There we can't go.
In Italy, and then you can see the skyscrapers in front of you, and on your left we can have an idea of the city because we have the western part with the lights out and all the industrial. This is the street included in the World Heritage Site by UNESCO. And it is an area where in the past there was a hill. They decided to cut the hill off and build a new, sell all the soil to the wealthiest family in the city and build new palaces, beautiful palaces. And there was a designer in the street in general, but every building, every family was sitting in that period. And it is strange because here there was the resting area. And they decided to build a new district. Also, you could see the beautiful ladies were dressed and South Carolina. Another show in this one. But I mean, it was important. It is important in the street because at the end of the 19th century. So yeah. palaces are now owned by banks, for example, or by private companies. And so they need a lot of money. The government has water. It's part of the water. Rebuilt again the house made of bricks. Remember that bricks. One of the features of the city of Genoa is that we had no big squares till the 19th century. Because before, every family had known district with the buildings around a square, a small square, and the church, surrounding it. Didn't exist until the beginning